Greetings from Engramium Plus, your go-to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. Hi, this is Aaron. If you want to create a stunning professional website, look no further than the Divi theme. Introducing the biggest revamp ever, welcome to the next generation of Divi. Divi 5 takes the page building experience to a whole new level with its most powerful update yet. From start to finish, DB5 features a completely redesigned interface offering a fresh new look and feel. Inspired by Gutenberg experience, DB5 now includes a brand new DB API and an editor that's both powerful and familiar. The all-new builder is blazing fast, incredibly intuitive, and packed with functionality that empowers you to turn your ideas into beautiful crafted website without friction. In this video, I will show you how to install the DB5 theme and we'll take a look at changes in its appearance and interface. This is first impression overview, so stay tuned. More feature-oriented deep dives are coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on what's next. Let's get started. So this is our website. We will go to appearance, themes, and we'll click add themes, upload. From here we will upload. We have uploaded the DB5 theme. Now we will hit install now. It will take few seconds to install the theme. Now our theme has installed successfully. We will click activate. After activating the Divi theme, we will land on this page, which is Divi dashboard. From here we will get the settings for Divi license activation, Divi setup, Divi documentation, support, Divi quick sites, migration to Divi 5. After that we will get the Divi 5 migration menu. This is only applicable if your site is currently running on Divi 4. We will get back to that on later. And after that we have the theme options. The look and feel has changed, but all the options are available for the navigation, builder, layout, integration, and so on. After that we will have the theme builder, theme customizer, role editor, Divi library, and custom and support center. So let's create a page and see how the DB5 look and feel. Let's give a title for this page, test, and use the Divi Builder. And this is the DB5 builder. From here we can click and edit the page and so on. We'll have the page settings, content, design, and advanced. For now, let's exit the page builder, discard and exit. Go to the WordPress dashboard, Divi5 migration. Now you may ask, is Divi5 released? Yes, but with a flexible rollout. Unlike the most updates that replace the old version overnight, Divi5 and Divi4 are currently running side by side. You can switch to Divi5 whenever you are ready. For example, on this website, I am using Divi4, and if we go to dashboard, and as you can see, this is the Divi4. Let me show you. The look and feel is the Divi4. Let's go to the appearance. In here, we will upload and activate. Now we have uploaded the DB5. Now replace install with the uploaded. Now go to the DB5 again, dashboard, migrate to DB5, migrate this website. As you can see, we'll get this option from where we can migrate this site to DB5 alpha and confirm. So DB5 alpha has been activated. Now you can check all the version controlling system and updates on this page. If you go to very bottom of this page, I will keep this link on the video description. With that, let's wrap up this one. I hope you have enjoyed this video and get help from this one. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss out on more WordPress tips, tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.